Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Comfort. In today's video I'll be sharing with you this legit platform which I've really made a lot of money with it. Okay, I just don't want to keep this for myself alone, and that's why I'm coming out to share this video with you so we can all make this money together. So before we get into this video, if you're new to my channel, do well to like this video, share this video. Guys, it's very necessary to share this video with your friends. Share it with your friends, because in 2023 there's no sleeping for anybody. We're just gonna be up and doing and then make this money. Guys, I recommend this platform for you. I recommend this platform to your friends. I recommend this platform to your family, because we want to talk about withdrawal proof. I have a lot of withdrawal proof in this platform. I made so many withdrawals in this platform, and this platform, it pays. Guys, this platform really pays. Okay, this platform really pays. I'm not gonna just take much of your time. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you my proofs and some payment proof that I've already made from the site. Okay, I've been posting the site. So many people turn out, so many people turn on, and so many people do not really turn on. They were just looking for a legit platform without even wasting much time to look for all. I'm not going to promise you a huge money on this, but all I'm going to tell you that this platform pays. Okay, it really pays. Okay, that just that in fact what they said, they promise and they fulfill their promise. Okay, and I've been using this platform for the past 2 months now, and I've really withdrawn this to my account. I've really made some withdrawal and my referral there. You join my Telegram group, just go there and ask question. Ask for in the Telegram, ask if anybody have withdrawn this, and you're gonna see some evidence there. They're gonna tell you that they've also made their withdrawals, and I've made my withdrawal on this platform. So guys, without wasting much time, share this video with your family, share with your friends and family, so that they can all make this money together. So I'm just gonna run down all the steps on how to go about with this platform. But before we get into this video, if you're new to my channel and you're not subscribed, do well to subscribe to Comic Crypto, because it's gonna help me. It's gonna help me a lot. So well to subscribe to my channel and then turn on this bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't joke with this video, guys. Don't joke with this video. If you want to invest, go ahead and invest. Okay, if you invest your money on this, go ahead and invest your money. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you my withdrawal proof, and then in all the transaction I've made on this platform. So let's just get into this tutorial. Remember, subscribe to this channel so that you get notified whenever I post a new video like this, and then turn on the bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Go to the comment section and drop your question. Do well to join my Telegram channel to interact with me if you have any challenge on how to register on this platform. But guys, there's something I always tell you guys, that if you're investing, no matter how the platform pays, just do well to carry out your own research before you invest on it. Okay, so let's get into this tutorial. So now this is my my minings already. This is my mining. As you can see, the price is showing already. I've already made $11 here, but I'm not just gonna go and withdraw this. You're just gonna stake it. Okay, because if I stake it, if you stake this, you're gonna get more coins. Okay, so I'll be staking this. I've already withdrawn a lot from this platform. So guys, now I'm not just gonna go ahead and withdraw this again. I'm gonna accumulate more so that we're easy to buy another shares. Okay, I just have from my due date to returning my borrowed equity is just 19th January. So but on the 19th, this is going to expire, and I'm just going to I'll go ahead and then purchase another shares. As you can see, I have 200 shares here, and this 200 shares yield a minute. It yields 20 ZQT every minute. So I'm going to show you how to purchase a share. So guys, just go ahead, and then this is the list of shares here, the one displaying on my platform here, displaying on the system here. I'm just gonna go ahead and then click on farm tokens. And under the farm tokens, you will see borrow shares. You just need to click on borrow shares. Now these are the list of shares here. These are the list of shares. So you're just gonna go ahead and then click on any of the one you want to invest your money in. You want to go ahead and buy 100 shares. Let's check now. The validity period for this is just 30 days for this, and it's going to yield you 10 ZQT every minute. Now it's the max. It fills in 8 hours. 4,800 ZQT. It will be filled in 8 hours. Okay, every 8 hours you just need to go and then harvest your dividends. Okay, now those are the estimated monthly yield. You're going to be having 432 ZKT, which was 216 Dogecoin, and it's going to cost $31. Now let's see how much is the investment on this platform, on this 100 this okay, you're just going to invest 15.59, let's just say $16 to this, and you're going to make you'll be making you'll be making okay you'll be making let's check again. You'll be making $31. Okay, you'll be making $31. So like guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and bring out my calculator, and so this is my calculator. This is if you invest on this $16, let's see how much you're going to make. We have um estimated monthly yield. This is what you'll be having at the end of the month. You'll be having $31. So let's say you invested with $16. Okay, minus $16 minus 31. So this is your interest. You'll be having $15. And how much is a dollar now? I think a dollar is just 744 naira. Okay, now just need to say 744 times 15. You'll be having 11,116 naira, guys. How legit this platform is. Now let's move on to the next package here. Let's move on to the next package. Now if you're going to go on 150 shares, if you're going to go on 150 shares, the period for all this is just 30 days. Okay, you're going to go on for 150 shares. Now this 150 shares is the validity is 30 days as well. 30 days as well. Okay, now you can see the due date for returning borrowed equity will be 6 February 2023. Okay, now if you're going to go on this, it's going to be yielding you 15 ZQT every minute, 16 ZQT every 15 ZQT every minute, and this is what you'll be having. You'll be having it will be filled in 8 hours as well, and this was what you'll be having, $46. Okay, now how much is the minimum investment for this? How much is it? Sorry for this. How much is the minimum investment for 150 shares? Is $23. Let's just say $24. And how much you'll be making? You'll be making $46. Now you're going to minus $46 from 23. 46 minus 23. Let's see what you'll be having. You'll be having $23. Now $23 times how much dollar is now? 744. We'll be having 17,127. Guys, that's what I said. I'm not just gonna promise you a very huge amount of money on this platform, but the little one you are investing in, you're gonna see your money. Okay, you're gonna see your money directly to your wallet. Okay, that's why I said that it pays. Now if you're gonna want to go on higher, you want to go on higher share, you want to buy more shares, like 1,000 shares, let's see what you'll be having. Okay, let's see what you'll be making. Let's bring our calculator for this now. What's the investment amount for 1,000 shares? You'll be having $155. Let's just say $156. Okay, now at the end of the month you'll be having let's see, okay, let's just scroll down a bit. You'll be having $311. Okay, now you're investing with 150 something dollar. Let's say 311 minus 156, approximately 156. Now you'll be having 155 times 744. Now you'll be having 115,320 naira, guys. This is so awesome, and this platform pays. Okay, it pays. I've shot a lot of videos on this platform, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spread this good news to everyone, so you can just grab this opportunity. Now remember, opportunity come but once, but do well. It's also good to do well to carry out your own research about this project before investing. But the little one I've invested, guys, I've seen this. I've made many withdrawals to my wallet. If you want to just carry out your own research, click on my Telegram channel, come there and then interact with the people already there. Ask them, has anybody withdrawn from the site? Then just check what they're gonna answer you, because so many people have withdrawn from the site. Okay, now I'll go ahead and show you my withdrawal proofs on the site, how many times I've withdrawn on the site. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on account history. Now these are the withdrawals I've made so far. So guys, another thing is that if you invest, it's not just you'll be making other interest by staking it. If you stake it, you'll be making more interest just by staking it. Okay, now how many Dogecoin have I withdrawn so far? Look at, I withdrawn 290 Dogecoin just recently, which was 15 or $16. That's what I withdrawn. This was my first withdrawal. You can see my withdrawal proof. I'm just trying to show you my withdrawal proof for those of you that want to see the withdrawal proof. Okay, this is my withdrawal proof. I withdrawn 290 Doge. I withdrawn 90 Doge. Made another withdrawal on the on the 1st December. I withdraw, sorry, on the 1st January, sorry, 2023, I withdraw 290 Doge. Then on the 12th, I withdraw 90 Doge. On the 12th again, December 22, I withdraw 90 Doge. And then December 15, I withdraw 90 Doge. So guys, I don't know what to say again. Just grab this opportunity, okay? Just grab this opportunity. I'm supposed to show you my my Roku, my local wallet, and then you're gonna see the withdrawal there. But I've already withdrawn that money to my account, so there's no need. So guys, this evidence is okay, and if you want to carry out more research, join my Telegram group, ask questions about this project, and then I'll do well to answer. Now some people are gonna say, how can I deposit money on this? If you want to purchase a share, how can you definitely purchase a share on this? Good, that's a very nice question. Now how to deposit, just gonna go ahead and click on wallet, and by the time you click on wallet, you will see the list of deposit. You can deposit through Bitcoin, and we have means of withdrawals too. You can withdraw through Bitcoin, can withdraw through Litecoin, can withdraw through Dogecoin. Now these are the four ways of depositing money and withdrawing money on this platform. Now if you want to deposit through Bitcoin, you just need to click on deposit. Okay, now if you want to deposit Litecoin, but before you deposit, let's assume you are going for, let's go back to that place, purchase share. Now you want to borrow shares. Before you deposit, once you deposit, you just need to first of all click on the particular share that you want to buy. If you're going to 1,500 shares, you just click and check how many Dogecoin you can deposit through Dogecoin. I'll just advise you to use Dogecoin because Dogecoin is very fast. Now you're just going to check on how many Dogecoin is going to what, okay, for this. Now the Dogecoin here is 3,240 Dogecoin. That's what you will deposit here. So all you got to do now is just to go ahead and then click on your wallet. When you click on wallet, you click on deposit Doge. You click on deposit Doge. Now they're going to give you a Dogecoin address. All you got to do now just to click and copy on this Dogecoin address. Okay, click and copy on this Dogecoin address. Now if you're using Binance or Roku or any of the local exchange there, you just need to buy some Dogecoin BNB. Remember, just buy big 20 Doge and then send the exact amount of what you want to purchase there. Send the exact amount there. Copy all this Dogecoin, send the exact amount there, and once you send it, guys, it's not just going to come as Dogecoin. It's going automatically, it will be changed to ZQT. It will come to your balance. Once you deposit money, you will see it here on your balance. Okay, it will come here on your balance, and then you just need to go ahead and click on purchase share. You just need to click on farm share. Once you have enough balance there, just click on borrow shares. Okay, now you just need to click on choose on any of the shares that you want to buy. Okay, exact deposit the amount of Dogecoin that worth the particular share that you want to buy. You want to go for 2,000 shares, 2,500 shares, you just need to click on it, and then when you click on it, all you got to do next is just to click on borrow shares. Okay, you click on borrow shares. The next thing you click on there, so click on borrow shares. Okay, you click on borrow shares, and that is just all for this. Okay, so guys, that is just simple as ABC. So without wasting much time recommending some scam website there, I just recommend this website for you because I have made a withdrawal on this website and I recommend it to anybody out there. Recommend it to your friends, recommend it to your family. Let them all come in and make money in 2023. Okay guys, and just do well. It's also good to do well to carry out your own due research before investing on any of this platform. Okay, do well to carry out your own research. If you have any question regarding this video, do well to go to the comment section and drop your question. Okay, do well to go to the comment section and drop your question. And then another means of accumulating this coin just by sharing your referral link. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you where to get your referral link. And then by staking, if you stake this every day, it will be generating ZQT for you. That's another means to earn more. Okay, to earn more. And then by also sharing your referral link, let's just go ahead and go to, if you click on this farm token, you're going to see a referral program. You'll see a referral program, and then you just click on that referral link. Okay, just allow it to load, and then you click on, let's just wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, now these are my referrals here. Any of my referral that log in, this is another means of earning. This is what I earned so far from my referrals. As you can see, the dividends will be sent to me. Okay, now this is what you do. You just need to click and copy on this referral link, and that is your referral link, and then share it with your friends. So just gonna go ahead and go back. So guys, without wasting much time, just jump into this and grab this opportunity. Okay, I'm not just gonna promise you a millions in a day. I'm not gonna promise you a very huge amount of money, but this platform pays. So guys, recommend this platform to your friends. Recommend if you're a student. This is another way to earn a passive income. Okay, this is another way to earn a passive income, a legit passive income. So I'm gonna stop here today. If you have any question regarding this video, do well to go to the comment section and drop your question, and do well to join my Telegram group. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe, turn on the bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video like this, and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. I'm gonna stop here today. Until then, do well to sign up on this video. Okay, I'm gonna stop here today, and I'll come back again with another interesting video. Until then, stay blessed and remain calm. See you in my next video guys, and bye bye.